Let's take a look at the first screen you will see each time you start PowerPoint 2013, the Start screen. It's composed of 4 areas. First, on the left, a Recent area that contains a list of the presentations you have opened recently. Of course, the very first time you start PowerPoint, the list will be empty, but it will populate over time. Below that is the Open Other Presentations link. It will allow you to navigate to your file system, including your Microsoft SkyDrive, in order to find presentations to open. Let's go ahead and click it here. You can see what it looks like. And first thing you might notice is that that list of recent presentations exists here too. And then I can go to my SkyDrives. I have 2 of them installed, one from my home account, one from my work account. I can go to my computer, which I'll do in a minute, and then there's an Add a Place choice here, but that only allows you to add a Office 365 SharePoint or a SkyDrive. You may have documents in your Google Drive, your Dropbox, your Amazon Cloud Service. You can access those through your computer. When I click Computer, there's a list of the folders I've had open recently, or I can click the Browse button, and you can see that there are my Amazon Cloud Drives, Dropbox drives, and Google Drives listed among my favorites that I can get to easily, or any other part of my file system. Okay, now let me go back. That's the Open Other Presentations area. The third area, over on the right of the screen at the top, is a Search for Online Templates search box. Microsoft claims that this will search thousands of online templates. If you find one you want to use, you can download it and create a presentation based on that template, or simply pin it to the Start screen and download it later. We'll talk about templates in a later video. Below that search box, you'll see thumbnails of the various themes that come built into PowerPoint 2013. Actually, if it's the first time you've started PowerPoint, you will see only about 7 themes here, including a product tour. But as you work with the various new themes in PowerPoint, the list will populate and you'll be able to see all of them. I'll go ahead and scroll down so you can see the various themes that I have in my preview box. These are thumbnails of the themes. Now, you may be asking yourself, what is a theme, if this really is your first time into PowerPoint? And it is a set of design elements that are applied to your presentation, including colors, fonts, object effects, like drop shadows and ridges and 3D effects, and background elements, all of those things. If you find you're using 1 or 2 of the themes quite a bit, you can pin them to the Start screen by clicking the small push pin icon beneath the thumbnail. If I use this Ion theme, for example, very often I can come down to this push pin, click it, and it's pinned to my Start screen. Now as you add more elements, more templates to this Start screen, it will become extensive, and so pinning them causes them to come to the top. There's the blank presentation. You have no pin choice there. It's always in that location. But the others that you pin, let's come down and pin Slice to the Start, will be arranged alphabetically after that blank presentation. Okay, so if I pin Berlin theme, it will assume the first place because its name starts with a B. Okay, now if you wanted to see what these themes are like, you can click them and a preview pane will appear. And the preview pane allows me to page through the themes, for example, to see what the title slide looks like, the color scheme as if I had embedded a graph on my slide, title, bulleted item, font style, smart art style, picture layout style, and so on. And you'll notice on the right of this preview pane there are variants to the main theme. The main theme in this case has an orange gradient as its background, but there's a blue or turquoise variant, a green variant, and a violet variant, or close to magenta, I guess. If I wanted to actually create a presentation with any of these variants, I can click the Create button at this point, or I can simply close that preview window and double click on any of these themes to create, let's use Celestial here, to create a presentation using that theme. It's quite easy to change themes. You'll find the theme gallery on the Design tab. Let me click that, and here is the presentation theme I'm now using, called Celestial, and here are the various other built-in themes, and you'll see all of them in this gallery here, not just the 7 you saw on your very first time into that start screen.